Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can add review on Shopify website. So this is my one of the client website. So previously I have created the website for my client. So right now what I'm gonna do, basically I'm gonna add the reviews. So I have created the review sample images. So right now I'm gonna add the review based on the image. Okay, so right now I'm gonna upload this image into ChatGPT because using this chat. Okay, so using this chat I have generated all the content. Okay, using this I have generated all the content for my website. So right now I will paste to ChatGPT, like I will say that write a review for that. Okay, so let's hold on for a few moment. You can see this one. So I will ask ChatGPT, write a review based on the image. Okay, on the image. So ChatGPT already know all of my products, so he will write a review based on this product. Okay, so right now I'm gonna copy this name and then I'm gonna paste it into our website on the name. Okay, so this is the first one, so I'm gonna copy this under the name, and then again let's remove the unnecessary space from here. So let's go, let's put it here. Okay, well done. So right now what I'm gonna do more, so I'm gonna copy the heading of the product, so let's paste it under the product, and same thing I'm gonna copy the body, or I mean the review. So I'm gonna copy that and then I'm gonna paste it into over here. That's cool. You can see when I paste it here, I make the extra space, so you must need to remove that. Okay, so now let's move into the next one, so which is this one. So I'm gonna paste it all. I'm gonna also give this to ChatGPT, this one, and I will ask now write reviews for that. Okay, based on the image. So if you can use AI properly, and then you can learn a lot of things. Okay, so right now I'm gonna copy this one, so I'm gonna copy the name, and then I'm gonna copy the heading, and then I'm gonna copy this review. So all this thing I copied together because now I cannot come again and again for that. So I'm gonna click the window V, I'm gonna paste it, and then I'm gonna paste the name also here. So when I paste name, you can say extra space. Let's remove that, same thing like before. So that's done. Now let's move into the next one, which is this one. So I'm gonna paste again. And maybe one thing you don't know yet, so on the free version we can only paste three images on ChatGPT. So right now I will use extra tricks because next time I cannot upload any image. Yeah, I can upload, but maybe extra 5 image I can upload. So I'm gonna copy this one, and this one. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste it. First of all, I'm gonna paste it to the review. Oh sorry, unfortunately I cut the wrong word. Okay, so now it's time to paste the heading for the reviews. Okay, so right now I'm gonna paste it to the name of the customer, and let's remove the unnecessary space from over here. Okay, that's cool. So let's move into the next one. So right now I'm gonna click the next one, and after that I'm gonna go again here, and then I will see the review of this product. So let's click here, and I'm gonna choose the review from my PC, this one. Oh, you can say I cannot upload extra more. Okay, so for that what I can do, I previously I have generated all the product. If I go here, right now maybe we can chat here. Okay, so let's go very top, because on over here I have actually generated all of my product titles. So I'm gonna copy all of my product title from here, and you will see why I'm copied this title. So basically I'm gonna move into another tools that ChatGPT exactly available, because for the image I didn't use yet ChatGPT. So I'm gonna upload the image. So I will upload the image. To upload the image, first of all I have to come on over here, and then I'm gonna click on over here, and then I will ask ChatGPT, those are my product. Now write a reviews based on the image, and then I'm gonna paste the review style. Okay, so for that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the first one, and then review still will be like that. I will also change ChatGPT. The review SCY will be like that. Okay, so ChatGPT will generate the review based on that. Okay, so right now I'm gonna copy this one. Maybe ChatGPT given me same name. No, didn't give same name. So let's copy that, and then I'm gonna go here into my website, and then I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so let's paste the name and remove the unnecessary space. I'm not sure exactly why when I paste the name, why it's makes some space, extra space. I'm not sure. So right now I'm gonna paste the reviews. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, let's paste it. Let's remove reviews, unnecessary space. It's because it's really hard. Not hard, but if you have a time, you can do it. Just it's take a couple of seconds. And now I'm gonna click clear and card confidence. Okay, now let's move into the next one, which is this one. So for that, what I can do, as you can see this. Okay, so when I go to the preview mode, let's see how this is look. It looks like that. I will change that if, as you can see, this image not showing properly. I'm not sure exactly why. And let's save this for now, and then I'm gonna check this onto the preview mode. Okay, let's wait to save it. Let's click on over here, and let's go to the preview mode. Let's scroll down very bottom, and then I'm gonna show you exactly how it's look. Okay, so you can see this image is not correct, so we have extra options. Stay with me, I will show you. So right now let's move into this one, so which is this one. So I'm gonna go to the chat gpt, and I will again upload the another image. So for that I'm gonna do it here, this one. Now write review based on the image. Okay, so ChatGPT will again generate the title and reviews for me. So for that, what I can do, just copy all of them, and then copy all of them, and then also I'm gonna copy this one, and then what I'm gonna do, I will come to here, and then I'm gonna paste it on the reviews, and then here I have to paste the name, and then here I have to paste the heading. Okay, so let's remove the unnecessary space. So right now I will have a multiple layout options. So as you can see, I'm gonna remove the last review because it's no need for me. So well guys, so right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on over here, and then I will scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, we have a multiple layout. Click layout 8. You can see layout 8 look like that. Layouts 5 is, I believe that's good, and this is also like image is too small. Let's try to control the image size and height and width. Okay, so as you can see, there's no options to control the image, but let's try to find out container type full width. So if I click the full width, default, and then default is good. Okay, well, so I want to actually try more layout. Let's click the more, try to add more layout. See, okay, these are also good, not bad, but let's try more. We have a multiple layout option, we can try, no worries. And let me scroll down a little bit. So as you can see, which layout we should find out, guys, let me know your opinion on the comment box. I will appreciate if you comment. Okay, so let's try this one, and let's go to the preview, and let's refresh it, and then let's see how this is look. As you can see, it's also too big. So since the text is too much bigger, that's why its image also like cropping. So that's why let's try more layout. Which layout exactly perfect for the image? This one is not really bad because the review is too big. Yeah, we can keep it this one. Okay, so here actually showing properly. So if I, as you can see, we are showing properly. That's cool. So we are gonna use this one. Let's click the save option. So yeah guys, I hope you completely understand how to add reviews on the Shopify, and then how to customize the review section on Shopify. So if you like this video, please guys subscribe my channel, and in future whatever content you are looking for, let me know. And then if you need any type of store or any contact, if you want to work with us, you can DM me, book a call with me, or you can visit my agency website, that is called creativeweboost.com. So you can directly contact with us from here. Okay, so again guys, I really appreciate it for you. So again, if you are really like my video, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for from my channel, let me know. I will definitely try to create a content for you. So thank you for watching this video so far. Again, goodbye.